Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. Kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like, subscribe on my YouTube channel. I hope na yung mga math videos ko ay makakatulong sa inyo in solving word problems or mathematical problems. And maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta and sana maging masaya lang tayo in solving those kind of problems. Again, salamat and God bless.
Hi guys, for next video, we will have the part 2 on how to solve radical equations. So I have here two questions or problems to be solved in our today's video. So let's get started with number 1. In number 1, we are given the problem, the square root of 5 minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the problem here is that we have the radical sign. So how are we going to solve if the equation has the radical sign? First thing you need to do is to eliminate the radical sign. How? So the first step is you need to isolate the radical from those terms without radical sign. So this is the way how you do it. You have the square root of, let's use our red ink, the square root of 5 minus x is equal to 3. We isolated the radical term. And then, to eliminate the radical sign, you're going to have square both sides of the equation. In this way, or in this manner, you can eliminate the radical sign and the power of 2. On the left side of the equation, you will only have 5 minus x. And on the right side, you have 9 as a square of 3. And then simplifying this one, you will have minus 5 minus 5. So the remaining equation is negative x that is equal to 4. And then this one is simply x be equal to 4. That's it. Now, another thing you need to know about radical equation is that you need to check whether the value of x can satisfy your original equation. So we will have the checking. We have to check the number if it can satisfy the given equation. So you have to do the checking. You need to copy the original equation, the square root of 5 minus x minus 3 that is equal to 0. And then you will have your x be equal to negative 4 as a value of x. And then substitute the value of x, which is 5 minus negative 4 minus 3 be equal to 0. Simplifying this radical, you have 5 plus 4 minus 3. This is square root of 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. The square root of 9 is 3 minus 3, 0. So as you can see, the value of x satisfies the given equation. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4 is the correct answer. Now let's proceed with item number 2. So as you can see, in our first term, we have the quadratic term. So don't worry, this one is not that difficult. So first thing you need to do is to isolate the radicals. So we have the square root of x squared minus 2 is equal to square root of x plus 4. As you can see, we transposed this term to the other side of the equation, so it became positive. And then, the problem here is the radical sign, and how to eliminate it, just raise the equation by 2. In this manner, you can eliminate this sign, and this power of 2, this radical sign, and this power of 2. Now the remaining equation is x squared minus 2 that is equal to x plus 4. So as you can see, we can form a quadratic equation. So we have x squared minus x minus 2 minus 4 that is equal to 0. So the final quadratic equation is simply x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And then, to solve for the value of x, you can perform factoring. the factors of this quadratic equation is simply x plus 2 times x minus 3. That is equal to 0. To solve for the value of x, you will have x plus 2 that is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and the values of x are x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 3. So for the last time, you need to do checking if these values can satisfy the original equation. The first value is x is equal to negative 2. So you have square root of x squared minus 2 minus square root of x plus 4 that is equal to 0. So next thing you need to do, substitute the value of x. It will give you negative 2 squared minus 2 minus the square root of negative 2 plus 4, 0. So this is square root of 4 minus 2 minus the square root of 2 is equal to 0. And here we have the square root of 2 minus the square root of 2, 0. So this is 0 is equal to 0. So the first value of x satisfies the given radical equation. Next you need to check is that if x is equal to 3. Then let's check. Square root of 3 squared minus 2 minus the square root of 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. 3 squared is equal to 9 minus 2 minus the square root of 7 is equal to 0. This is square root of 7 minus the square root of 7, 0. This is 0 is equal to 0. So as you can see, the two numbers satisfies the given radical equation. Therefore, the values of x are negative 3 and negative 2 and 3. So I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Again, I am Teacher Gon. Thank you.